Hello, everyone. My name is Yahya Godiwa, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through this Canva tutorial for beginners series. With over 5 years of experience as a professional Canva designer, I've had the privilege of witnessing the transformative power of this incredible platform firsthand. Throughout my career, I've worked with clients from various industries, helping them bring their ideas to life through captivating designs. From social media graphics to marketing materials and everything in between, I've utilized Canva's versatile tools to create visually stunning and impactful content. Whether you're completely new to Canva or looking to enhance your design skills, I'm here to share my knowledge, tips, and tricks to help you unlock your creative potential. I believe that everyone has the ability to create beautiful designs, and I'm excited to help you unleash your source. So let's embark on this journey together. Whether you're a small business owner, marketer, student, or simply someone with a passion for design, I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's dive in and start creating something amazing with Canva. What is Canva? Canva is an online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content easily and intuitively. It offers a user-friendly interface with drag and drop functionality, making it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. Canva provides a vast library of templates, images, illustrations, icons, and fonts, enabling users to create stunning designs for various purposes such as social media graphics, presentations, posters, invitations, and more. Additionally, Canva offers collaboration and sharing features, making it convenient for teams to work together on projects. With its versatile tools and extensive resources, Canva has become a go-to tool for individuals and businesses looking to create professional quality designs without the need for advanced graphic design skills. Who is this series for? This series is tailored for individuals who fall into several categories. Beginners, those who are new to graphic design or have little to no experience using Canva. Small business owners, entrepreneurs and business owners seeking to create eye-catching marketing materials, social media graphics, and promotional content for their ventures. Marketers, professionals in the marketing field looking to enhance their design skills and create compelling visuals to engage their audience. Students of all ages who want to learn how to create visually appealing presentations, posters, and other academic materials. Hobbyists, individuals with a passion for design who are eager to explore the possibilities of Canva and unleash their creativity. Aspiring online entrepreneurs, those who want to make money online by creating and selling digital products, social media content, or freelancing services, using Canva as a valuable tool to achieve their goals. What will you learn? Throughout this series, you will learn a wide range of valuable skills and techniques to elevate your design capabilities with Canva. Here's what you can expect to learn. Basics of navigating the Canva interface, including how to access and use essential tools and features. Creating various types of designs, such as posters, social media graphics, presentations, flyers, and more, tailored to different purposes and platforms. Utilizing Canva's tools and features effectively to enhance your designs, including text formatting, image manipulation, and graphic elements. Tips and tricks for design composition and aesthetics, including layout principles, color theory, and typography best practices. How to customize pre-designed templates and layouts to suit your specific needs and preferences, allowing for efficient and professional-looking designs. Techniques for optimizing designs for different platforms, such as social media channels, websites, and print materials, ensuring maximum impact and engagement. Strategies for collaboration and sharing within Canva, facilitating teamwork and feedback exchange for improved project outcomes. How to create amazing videos like this one you are watching. Troubleshooting common issues and challenges that may arise during the design process, along with practical solutions and workarounds. Questions? The floor is open for any questions you may have regarding the upcoming videos and anything else related to Canva. Also, at the end of each section, the floor will be open for any questions you may have. If there's something you'd like to clarify, discuss further, or if you have any inquiries about the content covered in the video, please feel free to ask. I'm here to help and provide any assistance you need. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.